Hi guys, it's Sweety Pie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are excited and happy and kind of scared and a little freaked out because tomorrow is going to be an interesting day. So if you guys watched my last Get Ready With Me, I think it was, I will link it right here, you would have found out that I got laid off from my job. Things did not work out, but I had an interview yesterday to a little coffee shop that is in my town and I got hired, so I'm gonna have lots of time for videos and I'm gonna be making money again. And since in Canada minimum wage is going up to 15, I'm not even gonna be at too much of a loss. So I'm excited and I'm happy and it's gonna be a little easier, way less traveling, and yeah, so today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do the 10-minute makeup challenge, or 10-minute makeup, you know, it's just like my quick routine. And I'm going to actually be using a whole bunch of products from Joe Fresh, which is a Canadian light. Could you pay attention here? And there we go. So it is a Canadian brand, Joe Fresh. I don't know if they have it in the States or not. I'm not quite sure, but we are going to do the 10-minute makeup where I'm just going to show you what I would do if I had 10 minutes to get ready. As simple as that. Alright guys, so if you're excited for this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Thank you guys so much. And let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I've got a lot of Joe Fresh products here, but I also have a few other products that I had just gotten recently that I wanted to, you know, use for you guys. I also have my Swiss for sponge. I think that for the foundation today, we are going to use a brush, which is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. But before that, let's just start the time. I will have like the time, I won't have it counting down, but I will pop up the time every minute right in the corner here for you guys. And of course, I will be having it on my phone. So let's just click into here and we have a timer set for 10 minutes. And yeah, am I ready? We're gonna do brows first, okay? And I've got my mirror and I can see out of it. All right, ready, set, go. Come on. All right, so obviously I just said I'm going to start with brows. You're going to be able to see how I do my brows. This is the Milani Brow Wax Fix. So we're going to do that, and as you can see with my brows, I plucked them way too much in high school, and yeah, that's why I have no brows right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep kind of clicking my screen as well, just so I can keep that time up there. We're at 9:30 right now, so I gotta go. Okay, so I stencil on my brows. I don't know if anybody knows that, but yes, I do. And I just realized I don't have a powder. Okay, here we go. We're gonna use the NYX. This is the eyebrow cake powder, and I'm gonna go in like this and put this stencil up. Ooh, goodness, I need a small one. Alright. And let's and then I just like literally throw some pigment on there. This just gives me a guideline so I can like actually do my brows. And again, the other one, we're at 8:40 right now. Okay, see, it works out pretty good. Then I'm just going to take a spoolie. So yeah, I would normally just brush through them a little bit. Then I have the IT Cosmetics Universal Brow. Looking at 751. Sorry I'm not talking, but my brows are normally one of the hardest things to get right on my face, so that's why I'm just concentrating on that. So after I've got that filled in, I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D. This is her Brow Struck powder, and don't tell anybody I did that. This is my makeup. And I just get a little bit on the brush and do those little brow strokes. Oh my goodness, 6:25. Okay, well, this actually isn't too bad for brows, so we're gonna leave it at that. I'm just gonna run a spoolie on the top and the bottom just to make sure there's no excess product. There we go. Okay, so next for foundation, I'm using the Joe Fresh Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Sand, if I'm not, no, Bisque. And I'm literally just going to, I'm gonna go over my cheeks first, and then a little bit on the face, and blending. And as you can see, like, the coverage is definitely there, and this color actually fits me pretty good. I shouldn't say the color, I should say the pigmentation. Okay, so we've literally got 5 minutes on the clock. It's like 5:06 right now, and I'm gonna go in with concealer. We're gonna use the Born This Way concealer. Sponge. Oh my goodness. 4:42. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm going to take the Joe Fresh translucent powder and a powder puff. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go in with a brush. A big fluffy brush, and just pounce that all over the face. Under the eyes as well, obviously, to set this. Whew. And trying not to mess up your brows too much. Okay. Now we're going to do bronzer, and I'm literally just going to take the big, huge, fluffy brush that I had and go in to everywhere. Then I'm going to use blush. So I'm going to take this Natasha Denona. This is their Blush and Glow. Get that on the cheeks. We're at 3:22 for time. Then on another smaller brush, I'm gonna go into the highlight, and I'm just going to dust that on the top of the cheeks, on the nose, inner corners, all that good stuff. Okay, so everything like that is done. Okay, I'm gonna go into the eyes. I'm going to skip primer because we did have a little bit. I'm gonna take a big, huge, fluffy brush into this, oh my gosh, this Hard Candy palette. It is the Look Pro. I'm gonna go into this. It's just an all over pinky shade right there. And then I'm going to take just a little bit smaller of a brush and go into this one up here, which is like just like one of those neutral shades. throw that in the crease. And we've got 2 minutes and 22 seconds left. Then I am going to, what am I gonna do? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna actually go back into the Blush and Glow, and I'm just going to grab a little bit of that highlight and place that on the lid. Then we're gonna go into the Joe Fresh mascara. I'm talking so fast. And I'm going to use a smaller mirror. We've gotten 1 minute and 46 seconds. This is a pretty clumpy mascara. I don't mind clumpy mascaras, but just as a heads up. It did say voluminous though. Okay, and we're gonna go just a little bit on the bottom. We're looking at 1 minute. All right. Lid. Oh, here we go. Lid. And then for lips, we're going to go in with this Joe Fresh lip liner in, ooh, what is it in? It doesn't say. Anyway, I'll tell you in a minute. We've got 34 seconds. And I'm going to go in with the lip lacquer from Joe Fresh. 13, 12, 11. All right. Okay, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Do you see that? Do you see it? Time's up. Oh, it doesn't even, I thought it would ding. Well, it didn't ding, so that is what it is. But yeah, there is my 10-minute makeup. Holy moly. Okay, so what did we not use? There was a couple Joe Fresh items that, ooh, my lips are so silly looking. Oh my goodness, this was fun though, and I don't mind this. Like, the Natasha Denona saved it all. It really just did. But I do like this Joe Fresh powder as well. So the couple of things that I didn't use that I wanted to use, but just when I started looking down, I was like, holy geez, I gotta go. So 2 things that I didn't use. This is the Joe Fresh, their blush stick in Peach Dream. It's freaking gorgeous. And it seems to blend like absolutely gorgeously. So I am actually looking forward to using this. And I also didn't use this Joe Fresh, this is their color corrector in Violet. I really enjoyed this under the eyes. I'm not quite sure if that's where you're supposed to use a violet color corrector, but it worked really well to brighten up my under eyes the first time I used it. But regardless, I did use a few things that I didn't even know if I would get around to, like the lip lacquer, which I do like quite a bit from the first time that I used it. This Joe Fresh powder, it is really good. Like, I'm actually quite surprised. I do love the stick foundation from them. I've used it twice, today and yesterday. Both times it was really nice. So, you know, like, that's really great. And of course, the Brow Struck powder from Kat Von D I love. My brows don't look too bad. They're not like anything to write home about, but they're very like natural. And let's go up for, see, it's not bad, But yeah, guys, this was fun, and I can't believe that I got, like, my brows definitely take the longest. It took me like 3.5 minutes to do my brows, and I was just like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys comment down below if you guys have any requests for any other challenges or anything like that. I really thought this was fun, and I'm so excited about my new job. And yeah, I'm gonna go and do my eye makeup a heck of a lot better than this, and then we're gonna film some more videos today, I think. I have an empties that I would like to film. And also I have a like monthly recap of everything I bought to film. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and you can click these 2 videos that are popping up here for you guys if you are interested in watching some more of my content. I love you guys so much. There are the few people out there, and I'm sure you know who you are, that are really, really amazing on my channel. They are so nice, and they are so kind, and I couldn't do YouTube without them. So thank you to you guys. I don't want to like mention names or anything because you know who you are. But yeah, there are a few people that I just hold so dearly in this community, and the more the merrier. Obviously, come join my little, my little nook here on YouTube, because, it's fun here and there isn't quite as much drama, All right, let's finish this up, and I love you guys so much. Bye.